Hello all, just doing a real quick video on the Choice 7-inch red and white coffee stirrers. It does come in a box of 1,000. I went ahead and took them out of the box and I went ahead and put them inside of a bag. But I just wanted to show you in a quick video that not only can these be able to use just for coffee, but you also can be able to use it for juices. And for example, the apple juice that you see in front of you. So let me go ahead and open it on up. And I have a 12-ounce cup here, and I just want to show you that the 7-inch straws, they work pretty well in the 12-ounce cup as well. So I went ahead and put in the juice, and again, I don't put in a lot because a lot of times I serve these for the little ones. Of course, an adult can be able to drink out of the straws too, but it just works really, really well. I can be able to put it through the lid, and it's ready to go. I can just give it to the little ones, and they can be able to drink it up. It just works. It just works. So there you go. You can see it in action and you can be able to make your own judgment on what you'd like to use the stirrers for. So there's the apple juice. Thank you so much for watching.